So this is US oil analysis for Thursday, the 16th of August. Now let's have a look at what happened with prices and where prices may likely go. So we've had price come down towards the 64.75, broke back above. Briefly broke below that 64.75, tested the 64.40s or so, and again we've seen a bullish reaction here on the US oil. So we'll see if we do see this recovery. We are looking to target that 65.60. We did come pretty close towards a test of having it holding a support. If we do break beyond 65.60, we're looking for 66.12, successful break from which we're then looking for price head up towards that 66.71. Previously where we've had this consolidation here on the US oil. If however we do see this continued a sell-off on the US oil, as indicated by the series of lower highs that we have had over the past couple of trading periods. We were looking for price to break beyond the 64.75, and the very next level of note is a key level in around that 63.76 to see if we do find support in around 63.76. If we do fail to hold support in around 63.76, we'll be then looking for price head down towards that 63.05. Successful break from which we'll then look for price head down towards that 62.54 here on the US oil. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing, so we get scale on here correct. And as we can see here, we had that counter resistance around $75 a barrel, sharp acceleration to the downside, went into this brief consolidation, had a pretty strong break of the consolidation here to the downside on the US oil. Brief pullback, tested resistance around 68.19, I think it is. Tested resistance around 68.19, held resistance around that 68.19, and from there we've seen this sharp acceleration to the downside to test that 200 period moving average on daily chart, sitting slightly below that 64.75. So far we've seen a bit of a reaction from that 200 period moving average, but if we do break beyond the 64.75, 63.76 pretty much aligns with our previous low here in the market before we did see this sharp acceleration to the upside. So we'll see whether we can hold that support, and if we do break down from there, may just see price head down towards that 62.54 as mentioned previously, and beyond that I suppose our lows here in around that 61.84 may come into focus if we do break down from that 62.54 here on the US oil. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.